Listen up, because I'm about to reveal a content niche that's a goldmine for beginners across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. It ticks all the boxes: massive audience, evergreen content, and ridiculously easy to produce. Imagine creating addictive videos that could earn you $1,500 a month, even as a beginner. This TikTok account exploded to 22.6K followers and garnered over 166K likes with just 20 posts. Similar stories are emerging on YouTube and Instagram because this content is simply irresistible. This niche, it's all about creating mind-bending what-if scenarios that viewers can't get enough of. Think, what if humans could breathe underwater? Or what if all insects suddenly vanished? Questions that ignite imagination and keep viewers glued to their screens, whether they're on YouTube, scrolling through TikTok, or browsing Instagram. Intrigued? You should be. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact process to create these viral videos step by step. But here's the real kicker. By the end of this video, I'll reveal how to automate this entire process using a game-changing AI tool. We're talking from idea to upload in just minutes, with barely any effort on your part. Don't believe me? Let me show you an example of what we're aiming for.
What would happen if Russia attacked the UK? Immediately, the UK intelligence systems detect the inbound nuclear missiles. The government issues a national emergency, signaling immediate evacuation. Panic spreads as people seek shelter. Sadly, there is little time to react. It takes less than 30 minutes for the missiles to reach the UK. Minutes after launch, the UK rushes to respond. Submarines coming out of the depths with over 200 nuclear missiles ready to launch, each 8 times more powerful than that of Hiroshima. Within 30 minutes...
Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Script writing. First things first, we need a script. For this, we'll use ChatGPT, your new best friend for script generation. Let me show you exactly how to use it effectively. I'm going to write this prompt. Write me a 60-second video script about what if humans could communicate with plants. Make it engaging that will make the viewers watch the full video. Use natural tone and include only voice, and don't add editing instructions. Look at that. ChatGPT has given us a fascinating script. Now that we have our script, step 2, voiceover production. Next up, we need to bring our script to life with a captivating voiceover. This is where ElevenLabs comes in. I personally love this tool because the voices sound incredibly realistic, and you can even clone your voice. Let's choose a voice. They have great options like Adam for a deep, authoritative tone, or Arnold for a more friendly, casual vibe. Then we copy our script from ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. Shortly, ElevenLabs will fetch us our voiceover. Step 3. Visual content. Now for visuals. For this, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. I'm selecting the cinematic module because it creates stunning, high-quality images that perfectly match our sci-fi what-if theme. Now you'll need to read the script part by part and generate the images, making sure each one matches the script. After that, you have to use a video editor like CapCut to stitch them all together. Now imagine doing all of this in just a fraction of the time. Let me show you how to streamline and automate this whole process with a powerful AI tool. I'm excited to introduce you to AutoShorts.ai. This game changer handles everything from scripting to posting, and I can't wait to show you how it works. First, use the link in the description to sign up. It's super quick and easy. Now that we're in, look at this clean interface. Click on Create. Next, choose the destination where you want your video to be sent. You can have your video emailed to you or directly uploaded to your TikTok or YouTube. In this case, we will click on Email. Your video will be emailed to you. Here, choose your content category. I will be selecting Custom. Now for the fun part. Just type in your what-if scenario. Let's use what if aliens invaded the world. Next is the voice. We will select the first one here, Echo, as it sounds like Adam, the viral voice on ElevenLabs. Select the language to English and change the duration to 30 to 60 seconds. And there we have it. In just a matter of seconds, AutoShorts has created our entire video. Let's take a look. Isn't that amazing? It's generated a script, created a voiceover, produced relevant visuals, and edited it all together into a cohesive video. Just with a few clicks and mere minutes, we have a complete, ready-to-upload video. Compare that to the hours it would take to do this manually. Now here's where it gets really convenient. Shorts AI can integrate directly with YouTube and TikTok for uploads, complete with auto-generated titles and descriptions. But for this demo, I'm going to have it emailed to me, so we have full control of the upload for any final adjustments. And remember, all content made by this tool is completely unique, so you don't need to worry about copyright issues. How cool is that? So there you have it, the simple yet powerful process to create viral what-if videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.
What if aliens invaded Earth? First, chaos would erupt worldwide as news spread. Governments would scramble to understand the threat, holding emergency meetings and deploying intelligence agencies. Military forces across the globe would be on high alert, preparing for potential attacks. Cities would brace for impact, with citizens stocking up on essentials and seeking shelter. Amid the panic, humanity would need to unite like never before. Scientists would work around the clock, collaborating to decipher any alien communications. The world's best minds would combine efforts, hoping for a peaceful resolution. The future of humanity would hang in the balance. Will we survive or face extinction in this epic battle? Time alone will reveal our fate.